Welcome to aminacademy.com. Linear equation in two variables. Consider this equation ax plus by equal to c. Here the two variables are x and y. And a, b, c are constants. Means we can give any value for x regarding we can get the value of y. Similarly, if you give any value of x, we can get regarding that y values. Suppose get x value here. Ax equal minus by plus c. Now x equal divide throughout by a equal minus b by a y plus c by a. Similarly, get the value of y in terms of x. Ax plus by equals c. By equal minus ax plus c. Now by equal divide throughout by b minus a over bx plus c over b. Now this equation in two variable represent a straight line in xy plane. General form of the equation in straight line is y equal mx plus c. Now consider this xy plane. Suppose this equation represent y equal mx plus c. Here m is the slope of the line or gradient of the line. So slope means the line how much angle is formed with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Here the c is called y-intercept, means the line where it cut in y-axis. This distance is y-intercept. Similarly, consider this line. Here this from x-axis, from origin in x-axis where it cut, that is called x-intercept. Suppose consider this d. Now we will do some problems regarding equation in two variables. Let us find first slope of the lines given in graph. Here the slope of the line is always run slope equal rise over run. Take this point, rise is 1 unit, run is 2 units. So the slope is half. Here take this line. Rise is 1, run is 2. Here also the slope is half. Now consider this line. Slope equal 0 because the line is parallel to x-axis, always the slope is 0. Consider this line. Rise is here 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore slope equal 4 over 1 and 2 but negative direction minus 2, which is equal minus 2 over 1, which is equal minus 2. Consider this line. Here the line is y-axis itself, means the line is parallel to y-axis, so the slope is not defined. Also we can write as slope is infinite. Now let us find this slope of this line. Take this point and here, better to end. Now slope equal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, rise, that is height is 8, and 1 2 3, run is minus 3. Now consider this line. We can take this point and this point. Now slope equal 1 2 3 4 over 1 2 3, 4 over 3. Slope of this line is 0 because the line is parallel to x-axis. This slope is not defined, means infinite slope. Find the slope of the line through each pair of points. The line passes through these points. How to find the slope? Put this one x1, this is y1, the second point is x2 and y2. Now slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is equal minus 15 over minus of minus 16 over x2 is minus 7 and x1 is minus 19, which is equal minus 15 minus and minus plus 16 over minus 7 minus 19 is minus 26, which is equal minus 15 plus 16 is 1 over minus 26. Now let us take these points. Here x1, y1, x2 and y2. Now slope y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is minus 4 and y1 is minus 7 over x2 is minus 6 and x1 is minus 4, which is equal minus 4 and minus 7 is minus 11 over minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. The slope is 11 over 2. x1, y1, x2, y2. Now slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is minus 15 minus y1 is 0 over x2 is minus 11, x1 is minus 3, which is equal minus 15 over minus 14 equal 15 over 14. x1, y1, x2 y2. Therefore slope equal 8 minus of minus 20 over 5 minus 3. 8 minus of minus is plus, therefore 8 plus 20 is 28 over 5 minus 3 is 2, which is equal 14.